Mozambique update. As of yesterday, more than 100 people were injured as the 7-day demonstrations began. Almost 10 people were killed from the clashes between civilians and police. Sanabina mashoko atona kuti aiwa panapata kuona ma-end results aiwa evakomana vakanomedhla ma-elections eku Mozambique. Zvatirikuona zvamuri kuona mapictures kuti vakomana akusi kudyiwa rinopisa nyika yeMozambique. Sanabina mashoko mudanyora panapa noti wasubscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pahedho yavo mudanyora chiti auto gates were granting free entrance to motorists. All Frelimo party offices were closed, but about 3 were burned, while party official residents were also touched on fire. 3 police stations were burned, particularly in the northern districts. All major roads and highways were blocked by demonstrators, and no sign of vehicle movement from 8 a.m. until 3 in the afternoon. All airports were non-functional, including ports on the seas. All major towns and cities responded with massive demonstrations across Mozambique. Resano Gracia border is between South Africa and Mozambique. So deadly clashes between civilians and police. No entry of any vehicle until 3:30 in the afternoon. Today demonstrations enders its second day. Tomashikose zvamuri kuona mapictures atimbotsananguri muri kutongoona muvidhio mapictures amuri kuona atongori self explanatory. Zvitiko zviri kuitika munyika yeMozambique as a result yevakomana vari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa they want to remain clinged on to power, but zviri kunyatsokuonekwa kunzi vakomana ava they did not win those elections. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Zvinoonekwa kuti aiwa kunyange the regime iri questioned kuti why is it vachiita zvinhu zvakanyanya kushata kudai. Pinda comment section mendudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell.